guys, welcome to Morning Coach today. So pumped to be with you. A little sad and feeling a little nostalgic today because one of my first e-ink devices I absolutely love, I found in a drawer this morning and I brought it out, and that's the Quirk Logic Papyr. Many of you remember this device. I'll never forget, this is when I just started working or doing reviews, and somebody said I had the remarkable one, and somebody said, go get the Quirk Logic Papyr. And long story short, this company's now out of business, but I bought a paper, we put it out, and literally I only had 10,000 subscribers, but they sold 100 of these, so much so they sent me this $5,000 Quilla that I still use. This is the largest e-ink device. It still works. It's a little slow, but I use it in some of my training, and it works. So I brought this out, and I just want to see a little nostalgia here. Does it still work? I charged it up. Let's see if we can go into it and see. So if we go in the library, last time I was in this thing was the 1/23/23, so January of 23. So it's been a while. And if we look at, let's look at the templates, some of the templates. So these are from 2021. Wow. So let's see if there's some default templates in here. Oh, there are. So let's see. Oh, here's the day planner. Wow. So this is some old stuff. Music sheet, storyboard. Let's click one of these and just see. I really like this device. This is, this was on the Sony DPT platform. Well, I guess it's not opening. I believe it's DPT. It's kind of beat up. You can see this is old. Sony DPT platform. That's not opening. And the company went out of business, but they put their software on the Sony device. And I actually really like this. Let's open this up and see if the pen works anymore. I like the size. It was so thin. Look at how thin this thing was. And there was just something about it that I really liked. It still works. The lag was a little bit. I remember people complained, but they worked on that. See how that's working? But it still works. Wow. Still, at least for note taking. Let's see if we can create a new page. Okay, slide this up. Testing. It's pretty quick. It's not bad. This still works after all these years. Wow, that's crazy. It's a little crooked. Let's see, is that me? Yeah, I think it's it doing it. That's not me. See how it's kind of crooked, so it's not 100%. But interesting. So one of the cool things about this company was they used to watch the videos and literally would update the software based on the things that we'd ask. I mean, we had split screen, and they did so much with this device. You can see here's a split screen that they made for us as people would ask and request things, and then you'd have this split screen there testing. Okay, that's a little clearer, so that works. So it was just a great, cool device, and I kind of want to know, did you have a Quirk Logic Papyr in your life, or the Quilla? Did you end up spending the money on this? And so what happened was, they were in business and they created this device, and it used to sync with this. So basically you could be drawing on this and it would come up on that, which was pretty cool for corporate. And they were going after the corporate market. And then they had a real good launch. Like they launched, and I said I had found it and put it out, and they were really happy because when I put it out there, a lot of people bought the Quirk Logic Papyr. And then over the years, they kept upgrading until we got that date when I got the email message that said, hey, we got to shut down the cloud and the business is closing down. And so the business eventually closed down. This is not a big industry e-ink, just so you know. I mean, I know Amazon's in it now, but Remarkable is probably the biggest company, and I believe they sold a couple million of the Remarkable 2. I don't know how many Remarkable Papyr Pros, but it's not a huge industry. And they were buying these from Sony, right? And then putting their software on there. So I don't know all the details behind it, but it's kind of sad. I really liked it. I liked the writing feel. I liked the size. Everything about it actually was a really great device. It'd still be working. Maybe you're using yours still today. There's obviously no support because the company's out of business. But I was just feeling a little nostalgic. I wanted to share, what this device is, the Quilla behind me, which a lot of people saw me do an unboxing years ago. Like we're talking 4 or 5 years ago. And then obviously this Quirk Logic Papyr that just took me back as I found it. And I was like, wow, that's pretty crazy. The Quirk Logic Papyr. I haven't seen this in a long time. But really interesting. Do you guys get nostalgic with your tech? You know what I mean? Do you get nostalgic with your tech? Like, wow, I remember when I was using that thing. I still like it. Maybe I'll use it for some stuff. Quirk Logic Papyr. I'm feeling nostalgic today. Listen, go have a great weekend. As always, sending you some good energy today. I just wanted to get a video up of me because I just really love this device and just wanted to share with you. It was really my favorite, to be honest with you. And now I'm using Remarkable Papyr Pro, but I do really like this device. So crazy. But anyways, hey, go have a great weekend. Thanks as always. Let's go have a great day, and I will be back with more right here on the Morning Coach channel. If you like this, hit a thumbs up. It's Nostalgia Day. Quirk Logic Papyr. Where you been? Man, I remember this thing. All right, go have a great one. I found a spot for it, guys. I put it back here by Cuddly Dudley. By the way, this is Cuddly Dudley. I grew up with a Ray Rayner show out of Chicago and got the paper back here in the background. For those that know. All right, go have a great day.